In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel meetings in Google Calendar. If you're someone who manages a busy schedule, knowing how to cancel meetings efficiently can save you quite a bit of time and help you keep your calendar neat and organized. Let's dive right into the process and take it step by step. First, you'll want to head over to your Google Calendar. You can easily access it through any web browser by visiting calendar.google.com or by using the Google Calendar app on your smartphone or tablet. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to make sure you're signed into the correct Google account that's linked to your calendar. Once you're in, you'll want to identify the specific event or meeting that you need to cancel. This might take a bit of scrolling depending on how packed your schedule is. Google Calendar allows you to view your schedule in various formats like daily, weekly or monthly, so choose the one that gives you the clearest view of your appointments. After you've found the meeting you wish to cancel, go ahead and click on that specific event. This action will open up the event details, where you'll get additional information about the meeting such as time, location, invites, and any notes or attachments that may have been added. In the pop-up window where you see the event details, look for a small trash can icon. It's typically located at the top of the window, so it should be fairly easy to spot. Clicking on this icon indicates that you're ready to delete the event. Now it's important to note that after clicking the trash can icon, the meeting will be removed. There won't be a pop-up window asking you to confirm this action. The meeting will be deleted immediately. So you'll want to be absolutely certain that this is the right event and that you're prepared for it to be cancelled for good. One of the neat features of Google Calendar is that it automatically notifies other participants about the meeting cancellation. However, it's always a good idea to follow up directly with any attendees to ensure that everyone is aware of the change. Communication is key in maintaining good professional relationships. And there you have it, you've successfully cancelled a meeting in Google Calendar. With these simple steps, managing your schedule becomes that much easier. As you get the hang of it, you'll find that it's a quick and straightforward process. Keep these tips in mind, and your calendar will always accurately reflect your updated schedule. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in keeping your digital life as organized as possible.